Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the division method. Let's start by understanding what division truly means. Essentially, it's about splitting a larger number, called the dividend, into smaller, equal parts, determined by another number, the divisor. This process helps us figure out how many times one quantity fits into another, or how to distribute a total evenly among a certain number of groups. It's a foundational skill for everyday math. Now, let's walk through the process. First, set up your division problem with the dividend inside the division symbol and the divisor outside. Begin by dividing the leftmost digit or digits of the dividend by the divisor. Write the result, the quotient, above. Then, multiply this quotient by the divisor and subtract that product from the part of the dividend you just used. Bring down the next digit and repeat these steps until you have no more digits to bring down. Not every division problem results in a perfect whole number. Often, you'll have an amount left over after the division process is complete. This is called the remainder. For example, if you divide 10 by 3, you get 3 with a remainder of 1. You can express this as 3 1/3, 3.33, or simply 3 remainder 1. The way you present the remainder depends on the specific problem you are solving. The division method is incredibly useful in daily life. Think about splitting a bill among 4 friends, calculating the average speed of a car over a 200-mile trip, or figuring out how many items you can buy with a certain amount of money. These are all practical applications of division. Remember, consistent practice with various numbers and scenarios will significantly strengthen your understanding and speed in performing this essential mathematical operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.